Hello guys! Guys, may interesting realization ako. Kasi siguro lahat tayo may na-encounter na person na from ibang religion tapos mapapansin mo sa kanila, they're so simple. Yung pananamit nila is sakto lang, hindi magarbo, hindi fashionista. Tapos hindi sila nagsusot ng mga jewelries and hindi sila nagmi-makeup. So, di ba kakaiba sila kasi tayo naman hindi ganon. Now guys, I think I know where they're coming from. Sa Exodus chapter 33, verse 3 to 4. Go up to a land flowing with milk and honey, but I will not go up among you, lest I consume you on the way, for you are a stiff-necked people. When the people heard this disastrous word, they mourned, and no one put on his ornaments. So yun yung sinasabi nilang ornaments. Sinearch ko siya kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun. Yun yung mga jewelries at yung mga magaganda at magagarbong ginagamit nila sa katawan nila. So hindi sila nagsuot ng mga ganon kasi para ipakita na nagmumorn sila, na nagluluksa sila, na nagsisisi sila, na nag-worship sila dun sa golden calf na ikinagalit ni God at ni Moses. So yun pala yun. So yan po yung nabasa ko today. God bless you. God bless us po.